can see that the question is on the left hand side as usual, like normally what we do, and on the right hand side we will be writing the answer. We have been asked, okay, so either in the first line or in the last line, we are asked to pass the necessary journal entries and draw profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so based on this P&L appropriation account, we will have journal entries. Okay, that job will be very, very easy once we are done with appropriation account. So let us read the question. X and Y are partners in a business with capitals of 80 and 60 respectively, right? The partnership deed provided the following. X gets a salary of rupees 600 per month. Y gets a commission of rupees 5,000. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. Interest on drawings is X 500, Y 300. Transfer rupees 3,000 to reserve fund, and profit is to be divided in the capital ratio. So can you tell me the ratio of the capital over here? We need to calculate the ratio. 80 and 60 का ratio कितना बनेगा?
4/3.
4 and 3. So 4:3. Okay, it is 4:3 is the capital ratio. The profit for the year ending 31st March 2019 before taking the above X was 49,400. This is the profit in every sum I will be looking for. Okay, because this is the amount through which I like to start my sum. Okay, net profit 49,400. So let me go to profit and loss appropriation account on the credit side. Let me write over there by net profit. Amount is rupees 49,400. Okay, right. So this is how I would like to start my sum every time. Okay, looking into the profit, the net profit which comes from P&L account to us. Now I would like you people to answer. Reading the first adjustment, X gets a salary of rupees 600 per month. Every time whenever the adjustment of salary comes, we need to think over कि per month है, per quarter है, half yearly है, what are the things are there? We need to take care of that. So yes, anyone who would like to reply for this, X gets a salary of rupees 600 per month. Okay, कहाँ debit में करेंगे, ठीक है? तो let me write on the debit side to X's salary, ठीक है? Amount is rupees. Amount कितना आएगा वो तो बताओ.
Yes sir, 12 into 7,200.
7,200, that's correct. ठीक है, done. Okay, next. Y gets a commission. Okay, I'll have to debit it to Y's commission. Amount is rupees 5,000. ठीक है, next. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 10% per annum.
Sir, debit side too.
अब 10% per annum है, capital is 80 and 60, तो 80,000 का मुझे बताओ 10%.
8,000 and 6,000.
And 6,000, ठीक है. Okay, so 8 and 6 total will be 14, ठीक है.
14.
The only effect of interest on capital. Fine. Next one. Interest on drawings कहाँ लिखेंगे?
The credit side आएगा amount. In a column में X by drawings.
I interest on
interest.
Okay. X.
Yes. In a column X and Y.
This is like मैं आपके सामने क्यों लिख रहा हूँ ताकि आपको exactly idea आ जाए कि कैसे लिखना है. ठीक है. Amount of interest on drawings is directly given to us. This is 500 and 300.
300.
Okay. So total will be
800.
800.
800.
ठीक है. Done. Right? Okay. We continue. After interest on drawings, next one is transfer rupees 3,000 to reserve fund.
Debit side to reserve.
That's very correct. On the debit side, let me write it over there to reserve. कितना reserve create किया मैंने? 3,000 rupees. ठीक है, तो इसका एक इफेक्ट है यहाँ पर ही. Okay, finally now, profit is to be divided in their capital ratio. Capital was 80 and 60. उसका ratio हमने ढूंढा था 4:3. Okay, who will get me the values please? कितना difference आ रहा है? कितना total आ रहा है? Anyone? 50,200 is the total. That's fine. Let me write this total over here. And now get me the difference please. कितना आएगा?
21,000.
21.
Yes.
ठीक है. Okay, now this 21,000 जो difference आया है, this amount I'm talking about, 21,000. This will be shared by X and Y in their profit and loss sharing ratio, which is the capital ratio, which is 4:3. Correct. तो 21,000 को 4:3 में share करो, कितना amount आएगा?
12,000, 9,000.
12 and 9, that's correct. So let me write this 12,000 and this will be 9,000. ठीक है. 12 and 9 is 21. That's all. So this is how we just complete the P&L appropriation account. Okay, now looking into the account, I want someone to give me the entries one by one. अब entries हम लोग randomly लिख सकते हैं, adjustment wise लिख सकते हैं, या फिर एक और तरीका है जो मैं actually prefer करता हूँ, that is looking into the account, net profit, interest on drawings, and then salary, commission, interest on capital, and एक एक करके सब entries लिखें. So first entry I would like to write for is net profit. बोलो entry क्या था net profit का? कौन बता रहा है?
Sir, P&L account debit to P&L appropriation account.
Profit and loss account debit. Okay. To profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Amount is rupees 49,000.
49,400.
ठीक है. Second entry. Second में interest on drawings. Who will answer for interest on drawings?
The partner's capital account debit to interest and drawings account.
We have two partners. So, X's capital account debit. ठीक है. Y's capital account debit. X's capital account debit. Y's capital account debit to interest on drawings account. ठीक है. Amount is 500, 300 and 800. ठीक है. इसका second entry.
Interest on drawings account debit.
Interest on drawings account debited to.
Profit and loss appropriation account.
That's very correct. To profit and loss appropriation. ठीक है. 800, 800. Okay. Next one. अब ये क्रेडिट वाला तो अमाउंट हो गया. अब डेबिट साइड. डेबिट साइड में we have first amount as excess salary. कौन बता रहा है?
Sir, excess salary account debit to excess capital.
That's very correct. Excess salary account debit to excess capital account. That's very correct. Amount 7,200. ठीक है. Okay. Salary के लिए closing entry.
Sir, P&L appropriation account debit to excess salary.
That's very correct. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to excess salary account. ठीक है. 7,200. Okay, fine. Next. After salary, commission. Vice commission.
Vice commission account debit to vice capital account.
Okay. और second entry.
P&L appropriation account debit to vice commission.
Yes. Vice commission account debit to vice capital, and P&L appropriation account debited to vice commission account. Okay. Amount is rupees 5,000. I'm sure like everybody is getting the things very, very clearly. Should not be the problem to understand the basic sum of fundamentals. Okay, fine. So we are done with the commission part. Now, interest on capital. Who will give me the entry for interest on capital now?
Interest on capital account debited to X account to Y account.
To excess capital to Y's capital. Okay. To excess capital account to Y's capital account. ठीक है बच्चों. Amount is like total 14,000. X and Y is 8 and 6. ठीक है. Second entry, to close interest on capital.
Profit and loss appropriation account debited to interest on capital account.
That's very correct. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. Amount is rupees 14,000. ठीक है. Next entry is for creating the reserve. Yes, anyone?
Profit and loss appropriation account debit to reserve fund account.
That's very correct. To reserve fund account. Okay. Amount is rupees 3,000. Okay. Next one. For the transfer of profit to partners' capital. Fine. The last one now. For transfer of profit to partners' capital.
Profit and loss appropriation account debit to X capital to Y capital.
That's very correct. Okay. Amount total is 21,000. And this is going to be 12 and 9. So this is how the sum has to be solved. Okay, let us start with the sum. This is question number 9A. A and B are partners with capitals of 1,80,000 respectively. On 1st of April 2019, the trading profit of the firm for the year before appropriation as per partnership deed was 67,500. As per partnership deed, they were entitled to 1, 2, 3, 4 adjustments are there. Show how the profits for the year 1920 will be distributed between A and B, and also show the capital accounts under fluctuating capital method. A and B has a capital of rupees 1,80,000. So being a capital balance, I need to come on the credit side and write over there by balance BD. Okay, because this is opening balance. Capital of A can be seen as rupees 1 lakh and capital of B can be seen as 80,000. After capital, on 1st of January, told that 2019, the trading profit of the firm for the year before appropriation as per partnership deed was 67,500. The trading profit is 67,500. So let me write over here in profit and loss appropriation account on the credit side, right? By net profit, amount can be seen as 67,500. Okay. They were entitled to the following. The first adjustment can be seen as interest on capital at the rate of 9% per annum. The capitals we know it is 1,80,000. 9% of that, 1,09% will be 9,000 and 80,000 ka 9% will be 8 9s are 72. Okay. Now it is an appropriation. Being an appropriation, it has to come on the debit side over here to interest on capital, and over here I'll mention A and B, right? A, B, and let me place the amounts over here, right? A amount will be 1,09%, that is 9,000, and B 80,000 ka 9%, that will be 7,200. So the total amount will be 16,200. Now we know like the interest on capital needs to be credited to partners' capital. I'll come to partners' capital on the credit side right over there by interest on capital. Okay, the amount for interest on capital is 9,000 and 7,200. Okay, so this is how we are done with the first adjustment. Interest on capital being appropriation, debit in P&L appropriation, and credit in partners' capital. Next, A, to get a salary of rupees 1,000 per month. PM can be seen over there, right? These are the points which I want you to take care of. Because it is per month, we need to multiply by 12. So 1,000 into 12 will be 12,000. Partner's salary, we all know that it's an appropriation. So being an appropriation, it has to come in P&L appropriation account. On the debit side, we'll write there raise capital account, and in bracket you can always write there salary. So 1,000 into 12, that will be 12,000. Now again, because partner is going to get a credit, so come to partner's capital account on the credit side right there by salary to A rupees 12,000. Okay. Next is commission. B to get a commission of 10,000. Now B ko commission dena, again it is an appropriation. So let us write over here in appropriation account to B's capital account. Okay, and in bracket you can always write there it is because of commission. The amount given to us is rupees 10,000. Now from here commission has to be given to B. So in partners capital account on the credit side, let me write there by commission in the column of B, rupees 10,000. Right. Next is drawings. Okay, drawings of A and B are like 6,000 and 5,000 respectively. Now we all know that because of drawings the capital reduces. So let us write in partners capital account over here to drawings. To drawings, amount can be seen as 6,000 and 5,000. Okay. Next is अच्छा drawings है तो उसका second effect नहीं हुआ, जैसे capital का second effect नहीं था. If any adjustment is there, salary, commission into some capital into some drawings, so all these amounts will have the second effect. Next is now yes, interest on drawings is there, 400 and 300. Okay, so interest on drawings is an income for us, and being an income, it has to be credited to P&L appropriation account. Okay, so let me write over here in P&L appropriation account by interest on drawings. Again, the same way as I have mentioned it for interest on capital A, B, right? The amounts are directly given to us, that is 400 and 300, right? Okay, so the total amount will be 700, right? So this is interest on drawings. Now interest on drawings is an adjustment, so it has to come to the debit of partners capital account. Let us write over here to interest on drawings, and the amount can be seen as 400 and 300. Okay, so almost we are done with, correct, with the sum, and all the adjustments have been taken care of. Show how the profits of 1920 will be distributed between A and B. Okay, so can you tell me if the ratio, P&L ratio is not given in the sum, in which ratio the partners will be sharing the profits or losses?
Equal.
Equal ratio is absolutely the right answer. Let us complete this part, P&L appropriation account. Close this. Get the total, please. Anyone? 67,500 plus 700.
68,200.
68,200. Okay, I shall copy this over here. Okay, now please get me the difference.
30,000.
30,000. Okay. Now इस 30,000 को लिखेंगे कैसे? So this is a net result profit. We can write there to partners capital account. Okay. And below that you can mention the partners names A, B, and we all know that key profits are to be distributed equally, right? So equally 13,000 का अगर share करेंगे, because there are just two partners, that will be 15 and 15, right? And the total is 30,000. Okay, that's all. Now, being a profit distribution, this needs to come in partners capital account on the credit side by profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, the amount can be seen as 15,000. Okay, each partner. So we are done with P&L appropriation account. We are done with partners capital. Now this partners capital also needs to be closed, because we are under fluctuating capital method. Only one account was there. Everything has to come in the same account. That is what we have learned in theory part, right? Let us complete this and get the difference now. Get me the total, please, for A.
1,36,000.
Okay, 1,36,000 for B.
1,12,200.
That's good. Okay. अब ये है कि like I shall copy these totals over here, right? Both the totals are here. I want you to get me the difference for A and B. The difference for A and B will be written as to balance CD. Okay. Yes, for A the difference is 129,600. Okay. And B
1,06,900.
1,06,900. Okay. Thank you so much. Right. So this is how we complete the sum. Okay. So this is as per fluctuating capital method. Under fluctuating capital method, we know like just one account has to be maintained and we are done with that part. Now moving ahead, the same sum has to be solved with the help of under fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, we all know that we have to prepare two accounts, right? Two capital accounts are there. One is the capital account, other is the current account. Let me copy this because the sum is same, P&L appropriation has to be same with no change at all. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So under fixed capital method, we have two capital accounts. One is capital account, other is current account. In capital account, we'll be writing only capital amount, only capital, right? And there will be a change in the capital account only when some amount is withdrawn on permanent basis, right, out of capital, and some additional capital is brought in. These are the 2 points which I have told you while discussing theory. Now let us complete the sum under fixed capital method, and let me show you what all changes are going to take place. See, like there will be no change in P&L appropriation account. The effects are very simple. Profits are the credit hai, losses are the debit hai. So that are shown as it is. But wherever I have mentioned capital account, instead of capital account, I need to mention what? Current account, right? Just interest on drawings is an adjustment. So instead of now A, I need to mention over there is current account. Okay, A's current account has to be specified. Same way where I have mentioned B, I need to write B's current account. Okay, so this is how the changes are going to take place. When the sum has to be solved under fixed capital method, we have to write all the adjustments in current account. And in capital account, only the amount of capital will come. So interest on drawings, the change has took place. Now over here, again the same thing for A. So A's current account and B to B's current account. Correct? This is a change. Again over here, I can see that this is A's capital. So instead of A's capital account, I have to write A's current account for the adjustment of salary. In the same way for commission, it is B's capital account. And so B's capital, it has to be B's current account. And over here, again, partner's capital account. No, it has to be partner's current account. Right? So that is all the things we need to take care. Now, how do we record this? We record this in capital account. In capital account, I'll go with the simple balance by balance BD. The amount of the capital was 1,80,000, right? Let me write over there. This is 1 lakh and this is 80,000. Okay. That's all, and then all other adjustments, right? Capital के बाद net profit तो लिखना देना, interest on capital है, salary है. Let me copy these amounts, right? Okay. I just need to remove this balance, right? ये balance कहाँ चला गया मेरा? Capital account में गया. That's fine. Whenever you find that the sum is having this word, specific word, that is fixed capital. So when he say throughout partnership, you have to remember throughout partnership कि अगर कहीं भी fixed capital word use करा है तो we need to pass out all the adjustments through current account only. So that is one change which I have done in P&L appropriation account, and you can see that in capital account only the balance of capital is shown. In current account you can see that interest on capital, salary, commission, the distribution of the profit all appears on the credit side, and debit side you can see that it's drawings and interest on drawings, and then we need to calculate the balance also. Let us close these accounts. No change in P&L appropriation. Partners capital total will also remain same, right? 1,80,000. The total is 1,80,000. The balance CD will also be 1,80,000. This is what is a special feature of fixed capital. The opening and the closing balance remains same. It doesn't change. So to balance CD. Okay, so we are done with capital account. Now let us close this current account. Yes, anybody who can get me the total of this account now. A का total कितना आएगा?
36,000.
Okay. And B?
32,200.
Very good. Let me place this over here. And now get me the difference.
29,600.
9,600, that's correct. And over here?
26,900.
6,900. Okay. So this is how we complete a sum. Okay.